Sourcing machined parts to China. Top 5 things to consider. Buying precision machined parts from China can be challenging but very competitive when done right. Here are 5 key things to consider when sourcing precision machined components from China. China has continued to be a preferred manufacturing location for UK and US manufacturers despite the trade tensions in recent times. Among the multitude of products sourced from China, machined parts are found in numerous applications across different industries. Whether you are looking to source an aluminium belt buckle, a high-performance part for vehicle suspension, or even other machined metal parts for various industries and applications, you will need to consider these top 5 factors. Number 1. Understand the basics of machining. Machining is a process in which a material, often metal, is cut into a desired final shape and size by a controlled material removal process. The processes that have this common theme, controlled material removal, are today collectively known as subtractive manufacturing, in distinction from processes of controlled material addition, which are known as additive manufacturing. The 3 principal machining processes are classified as turning, drilling and milling. Other operations falling into miscellaneous categories include shaping, planing, boring, broaching and sawing. Number 2. Technology and quality. Metal machining includes non-conventional and conventional processes. Non-conventional machining processes involve using either a thermal or chemical means of removing material. On the other hand, conventional machining processes are often frequently used for metals, which involves 3 categories. These include single-point cutting machining, multi-point cutting, and abrasive machining. Each machining process uses a specific type of cutting tool and technique in a workpiece. The machining of a metal part would require different operations performed in a planned sequence, so the desired design and features are achieved. Here are the different metal material removal processes: mechanical machining, abrasive machining, chemical machining, thermal machining. Number 3. Ask for samples. One of the best ways to ensure the supplier adheres to your quality specifications for custom machined metal parts from China is to ask for samples. Before placing your order, make sure to request samples. If the first sample that the manufacturer sends does not meet your specifications, write down the issues that you have observed and communicate the same to the custom machined metal product manufacturer. Ensure that the China supplier has understood the changes you require and can provide you with a sample of the modified version. The supplier will be interested in meeting your exact standards when they know that the volume of the order is high. This is why it is recommended that you give the supplier an idea of how many machined metal parts you need. Number 4. Inspect the factory and the process. A crucial part of the process of sourcing from China is the factory inspection process. To ensure the metal machining suppliers have the necessary technology, machines and quality processes, the best way is for you to personally visit the factory. For most business owners in the UK, US or EU, this can be very difficult and expensive. China Outsourcing Limited has provided various efficient solutions for this pain. While you can check the manufacturer's website, licenses, ISO certification and evaluate the sample, there is no way to make sure the factory has state-of-the-art metal machining technology unless you visit it. Partnering with China Outsourcing can solve this problem, as we have an office in China and are able to visit and conduct an audit on the factory on your behalf. Number 5. Work with a sourcing agent specializing in a machined part. One of the top reasons why customers in the United Kingdom, Europe and the US look to source from China is the cost advantage. While China can fulfill your requirements of low-cost metal machining, working with a sourcing agent like China Outsourcing Limited, who specialize in machined parts, can give you distinct advantages. Cost, while being important, is only one of the aspects to look at when sourcing from China. The other crucial aspects that can influence the success of your business include quality, reliability, turnaround time, IRP and communication. One of the first obstacles that many sellers face when sourcing from China is the difficulty of finding the right manufacturer or factories for machining metal part. A specialized sourcing agent can step in here and help you opt for the right factory equipped with a range of tools, techniques and technology for precision machined parts. The second most common challenge that you will face comes while negotiating the prices, evaluating different quotes and ensuring the manufacturer understands your stringent technical specifications. With our office located in China, China Outsourcing Limited can negotiate on your behalf in the local dialect, ensuring the manufacturer and the factory workers understand your expectations while obtaining the best quotes and deals. Our Chinese agent's support is valuable in terms of conducting factory inspection, verification of the supplier's authenticity, and ensuring the parts reach you on time. Your sourcing agent helps you find reliable machined metal parts manufacturers who are detail-oriented and who are willing to provide you with a sample for your evaluation prior to placing the order. The best way to protect IPR is to keep the important clever parts in the house. If you do outsource these parts, make sure you do not choose a supplier in a parallel industry to your own. It is also worth considering using more than one supplier so that no one supplier holds all of your parts. It also helps if you are an important customer to your supplier, as they will not want to do anything to risk losing your business. Contact China Outsourcing Limited today for a free consultation.